Most people use AI every day, especially ChatGPT. But not a lot of people know how to turn these AI tools into income. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn any skill that you currently have into a profitable digital product that you can sell online to make passive income that is totally beginner friendly and easy to create. And don't forget to grab my free guide, which is 10 AI side hustle ideas that you can start this week. And it also includes digital product ideas as well. So it's linked in the description box below. Grab it now. So since AI became so popular, people were wondering or even trying to create digital products which they would have to sit down for weeks, months, or even years just to create a course or an ebook. But since this AI revolution and since we have access to all these AI tools, even beginners can get started in creating their first digital product without having to be a tech person, without having any prior skill on using AI. So these are absolutely very, very much beginner friendly. So AI has lowered the barrier drastically for beginners, and not just in digital products alone, but so many industries are applying AI to their everyday workflow. So this is the perfect time to use AI to create something that you can monetize on the internet. So people are using ChatGPT just to create online courses, Notion templates, simple digital products where they're just incorporated in their business, or even if they're an online creator, they're just creating these stuff using ChatGPT and Canva, and it's as simple as going to ChatGPT, tell the AI what you're trying to do, what you're trying to achieve, and the AI will literally lay out a digital product for you. Then you can head over to Canva, where you can just plug and play the exact thing that ChatGPT gave you over into Canva and start to put it on a website, post it on Etsy, Gumroad, or one of those platforms to start making passive income from it. So I don't want you to overcomplicate this. I don't want you to overthink when you hear ChatGPT or Canva or creating a digital product, because digital products, you create them one time and you don't have to do anything after that. You have no shipping costs. There's no money that you have to put in to start to create a digital product. You don't need any upfront money, and it's very much scalable. You create it once and it sells over and over and over again. Since the rising of AI tools and all of these AI solutions such as ChatGPT and even with Canva AI as well, digital products are now a gold mine. So you want to get on this early. You want to use the time that you have now. Even if you have a job right now, you can do this on the side, because AI makes it so much easier for you to do tasks that would have taken you so long. AI cuts that time down, so you can take one weekend when you're off, or when you have a little time, just to create a digital product as well. So let me break it down for you. I'm going to show you how you can turn any skill using AI into a digital product. So step one, you want to learn one simple AI skill, or if you currently have a skill already, you can turn that into a digital product. But if you're learning an AI skill, you want to learn, AI content creation, AI video editing, or AI digital products, as we're talking about right now. So once you learn one of these AI skills, then the next step is to solve one problem with it. So what skills, what do you have now that you know how to do that can solve somebody else's problem? So this is key when creating any digital product, whether you're creating an AI digital product, whether you're using AI skills to create a digital product. You want to make sure that whatever products you're creating, it solves a problem, because you don't want to go ahead and create a digital product and then no one buys it. When you post it on your website or you put it out there, you hear crickets. That's not what we want. So we want to make sure that number one, it solves a pain problem. It's something that people need. It's something that will provide them with a transformation or a simple win, something that can save other people time. People have so many issues right now where they just want one thing to solve that issue that they have. So your digital product can be the solution to their issues. So step 3 is packaging and selling your digital product. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how you can package a simple digital product, a simple ebook, into Canva. So this is my Canva, and I've put in this prompt because I'm going to try Canva AI to show you guys. So it says create a simple ebook for a 7-day meal plan guide for beginners. So let's see what the Canva AI does. Okay, so it's giving you suggestions, so I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so here it has 7-day meal plan for beginners. So this is just like a simple guide where Canva AI simply just went ahead and created this easy 7-day meal plan for beginners for you. So as you can see, you can use Canva AI to create your own digital products. Then if you want to choose this part that says use Canva editor, so once it takes you in here, you have the ability now to change everything about this. So whatever changes you want to make, then you can do that in the Canva app as well. So let's see how we can make some changes to this. So we can change the color. We can change the color right here. Let me see. We can change the font. We can change the font for this. We can change the color of this as well. If you want it to be red, or want it to be that color. So Canva gives you the ability to make changes. So if you wanted to use this, then you can go over here to elements and you can add or change anything from here. Or you can look at some other designs that you may want to use as well that are right here. So this is how you would have created a simple digital product guide just for a beginner. Like, if you wanted to just create a 7-day meal plan, if you're in fitness, or if you're in, getting people healthy, then you could use this to, just an example, you can use this as well. So being that I showed you, how you can use Canva, I want to just jump on over to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to give you a simple prompt that you can enter into ChatGPT. We're going to use the same example of fitness, or even a 7-day meal plan as we used before in Canva, as I just show you. And I'm going to give it that prompt and let's see what it does for us. So let's jump in it. So here we are in ChatGPT, and I've copied the prompt, so I'm gonna put it here. So it's just a simple prompt. We just did create a simple ebook for a 7-day meal plan guide for beginners. So we're just gonna say create a simple ebook outline. So we're gonna let ChatGPT outline it and see what it gives us. But remember, whatever niche that you're in, whatever industry that you're in, you want to replace it. So for instance, if you're in another industry, or beauty, you could say, help me to create a beauty guide for 5 steps in, your morning routine to, your skincare routine. So that could be an example as well. So let's see what it gives us for this one. So here it is. It says here's a simple beginner friendly ebook. So it's outlining the ebook for you. So please don't sleep on ChatGPT. Like literally, it's giving you everything that you will need for a 7-day meal plan for a beginner. Simple, healthy, and delicious meal made easy. So if you're in that industry, this is a easy, simple ebook. It tells you how to outline the cover page. It tells you how to do your introduction. It shows you the section that you will need in your ebook. So it tells you about, getting started. And remember, whatever industry you're in, this is how ChatGPT will lay out everything that you need. It tells you even the conclusion it gives you, and it gives you other optional add-ons that you can add for your customers that you're selling this ebook to. So as you can see, ChatGPT outlined this for you. So the only thing you'd have to do, you'd have to take out this and then go over to Canva and then, copy paste, put in, change some of the things that are there. Or what else you can do is to, let me go into it, is to give me word for word that I can put in Canva. So let's see. So let's see what it does. So I'm asking it to give us a word for word ebook so that we can just put it on into Canva, make simple changes and just put it over in Canva to let Canva do the work for us. So since we got the outline, here it is now where ChatGPT is literally laying out for you exactly what to put in this ebook. So you want to go over it. You want to make sure that it's something that you want this, the structure, how it sounds. You want to make sure that it matches you and what you're trying to get across to your audience. So as you can see, you will have this in your introduction. You'll tell them how to get started. All of the things that we would have had in the outline, it literally lines it out for you. You can just copy, go over to Canva and paste everything in there. And there you have a full ebook that you can go ahead and start to sell online. So you see how simple that was? Like, you don't have to be tech savvy. You just need to start small. And what I want you to do is to grab my AI side hustle guide down in the description box below, where it literally shows you some AI side hustle ideas that you can start this week. So don't overthink this, just start. Creating a digital product should not be hard. It's very much simple. Remember, I want to do a quick recap for you. Remember, you just want one skill that you currently have, one solution to a problem that they will be willing to pay you for. Then you use the ChatGPT and Canva to create this digital product for them. It can be as simple as an ebook, a checklist, or a simple template, or even a guide. Don't overthink this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was valuable for you, and I will see you in the next one. You take care until then. Bye.